Pressure. Problem number 1. A 20 kilogram rectangular block with a length of 80 centimeter and a width of 50 centimeter rests on a table. What pressure does book exert on the table? Let's draw first the rectangular block. This is 80 centimeter and 50 centimeter. The formula that we're going to use is P equals F over area. Substitute P equals mj over A. P is equals to 20 kilogram and 9.8 m squared. This is our gravitational acceleration over, to convert cm into meter, just divide it to 100. 50 divided by 100 is 0.5 meter, and 80 divided by 100 is 0.8 meter. And now let's solve. 20 times 9.8 is equals to 196 over 0.5 times 0.8 is equals to 0.4, and RP is 196 divided by 0.4 is equals to 490 Pascal. And now let's proceed to problem number 2. A closed rectangular container with dimensions 6 meter times 8 meter and 10 meter is filled with water. What is the pressure exerted by the water on the bottom face of the container? Let's draw first the rectangular container. This is the length, the width, and the height. The formula that we're going to use is P equals PGH. P is equals to 1000. 1000 is the density of water, and 9.8 is the gravitational acceleration times the height of the rectangular container 10. And let's solve. 1000 times 9.8 times 10 is equals to 98,000 Pascal. This is the answer. And now let's proceed to problem number 3. A closed cylindrical container is filled with a fluid that has a specific gravity of 2.7. What is the pressure exerted by this fluid at a depth of 20 meters? And now let's draw first the cylindrical container. This container is filled with fluid. The depth of this cylindrical container is 20 meters. And now to get the P, you just multiply specific gravity times the density of water the specific gravity is 2.7 times the density of water 1000. And now the formula that we're going to use is P equals P J H. P is equals to RP is 2700 times the gravitational acceleration 9.8 and the depth of the cylindrical container 20 meter. Just solve it. 2700 times 9.8 times 20 is equals to RP is 529,200 Pascal. And this is the answer of problem number 3. Problem number 4. The pressure inside a tank 6.7 atm at sea level. What is the gauge pressure inside the tank? The formula that we're going to use is PJ equals PT minus PA. RPT is 6.7 minus 1 atm. 6.7 minus 1 atm is 5.7 atm. This is our PJ. And this is the answer of problem number 4. And now let's proceed to problem number 5. If the pressure inside the storage tank is 2.1 atm at sea level, then what is the gauge pressure inside the tank? Same as the formula of problem number 4. PJ equals PT minus PA. Our PT is 2.1 atm minus 1 atm is equals to 1.1 atm, and this is the answer for the problem number 5.